Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you will be the first to be notified. And for those who are subscribed to my YouTube channel, I say may God continue to bless you all. So guys, today's video it's all about how I wash my hair. If you want to know how it was done, please do watch my video to the end. So guys, this is my first time of using these very products. I've used a lot of products on my hair, so I just decided to try this one. So that is it guys. You can also try it out, and it's not that expensive. Just if you have about $11 to $10 is okay. So I don't really know about the product. This is my first time of using it. You can also try it out. I really used lots of products on my hair, and I've not really find a good one that suit my hair. So that is it guys. Keep on trying different kind of product, but right now I can stay with this to see. So this is it guys. I'm just using the shampoo now to wash the hair. So although I have a lot of gel on my hair, so I have to really wash it very well. That is it guys. Please guys, if you are new to my channel, if today is the first time of watching my video, please go through all my videos, watch, comments, like my video, and also share to your friends. It's very important to me. And for those who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, I say may God continue to bless you. Thanks so much guys. You guys are really amazing. So guys, you see my hair at the front, and I'm really tried so hard to make that place okay. I've bought a lot of products, just start using one. I pray it comes out good. So the problem with the front hair is that it don't really like a lot of gel on it. That's why I don't like putting gel. Before starting this YouTube everything, I was having lots of hair there, So anyway, right now I'm about to use what's it called, condition, something like that, In French it's called après shampoo. So this is it guys. If you also have any solution for me, please, you can also leave me a comment on, So that is it guys. I really pray this front hair grow fast with the new product I just got for myself, So that is it. And if you have any question for your baby girl, you can always ask me question. I'm always here for you guys. Thanks so much for supporting me. Thanks for being there for me. So I love you guys so much. Love you guys so much. So right now I got to wait for about 10 minutes before washing it, So this is it guys. Oh, I really lost so much hair. So but anyway, it's okay. It's okay. So right now guys, I will be using a mask on my hair. So I pray this product work for me. I've bought expensive one, but they work. They even removed my hair. So I just decided, somebody asked me to use this, that he has used it before. It's good. It's not really hard to get, You know, really hard to get. Just go to any supermarket, you will see this product there. It's not expensive at all, at all, at all. With $10 or $11, you will get these sets. Yeah. So anyway, I will be giving you guys the results. If it's okay with my hair, no problem. Just decide to try it. Oh my goodness, my front hair. I really need something to bring back this hair, you know. Gel really finish my hair. See? So I cover it up again for extra 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, guys. Yeah. All right, this is it. The product is really good. Make my hair to be soft, you know. Easy to comb. Thanks so much, guys. Thanks for watching my video, and see you in the next video.